Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are embarking on a journey into the world of homeopathy and shining a spotlight on a very rare homeopathic medicine with a unique healing properties. So yes, I'm talking about Cascara Sagrada. So if you are curious about homeopathy and seeking natural alternatives for certain health concerns, then this video is perfectly for you. So watch this video till end for more knowledge and stay connected with us for more informative videos like this. So join me as we unravel the characteristics, indications, and potential benefits of Cascara Sagrada in homeopathic medicine. Let's start. So Cascara Sagrada is prepared from Rhamnus persiana of the Rhamnaceae family. The medicine is prepared from the extract of the bark. The common name of Cascara Sagrada is secured bark. It is well known and popular palliative medicine for the constipation, and it's a well-known purgative. The plant is native to the western North America, British Columbia, California, and it's a small tree, 15 to 39 feet tall. The trunk of the tree measures 8 to 10 inches in diameter. The thin bark is brownish to silver gray. The inner bark is smooth and yellowish. Cascara sagrada bark is extremely bitter. The flavor remains in the mouth for longer hours, numbing the taste buds present on the tongue. This was all about the Cascara Sagrada. Now, next, we'll talk about the pathogenesis of Cascara. So, Cascara Sagrada contains anthraquinone glycosides, mainly cascarocytes A, B, C, and D. These are the active compounds which are responsible for its laxative effect. Now, I will explain the pathogenesis step by step. So, let's talk about the pathogenesis. So, Cascara is taken orally in the form of tablets or the liquid. Then it passes undigested through the stomach and the small intestine. After that, in the large intestine, that is the colon, gut bacteria hydrolyzes the cascarocytes into active anthraquinones. Then anthraquinones irritate the colonic mucosa, stimulating the peristalsis. Peristalsis is a babe-like muscle contraction which occurs in the colon. They speed up the bowel movement and pushes stool forward. It inhibits reabsorption of water and electrolytes in the colon. This causes retention of the water in the intestine, softening the stool and increasing the bulk. And hence, lastly, resulted into soft stool and stimulated bowel movements within 6 to 12 hours of intake. So this was all about the pathogenesis of Cascara sagrada. Now next we'll talk about the constitution or the personality of Cascara. So, the patient of Cascara suffers from the ill effects of chronic constipation, as I've already said. He remains bloated, and there is a never get done feeling with difficult stool. If we talk about its uses, so it relieves constipation. So, this medicine can be successfully used for the treatment of constipation. It acts as a colon cleansing agent or detoxifying agent. It support digestive health. It's very important medicine for the hemorrhoids or you can say biles. It's very important and very good medicine for liver health, and it can also be used for anal fissures, digestive stimulants, skin health, weight loss. So these are some uses of Cascara sagrada. Now next, Cascara sagrada as a homeopathic medicine. So I will explain this medicine now in an elaborated manner so that you can understand this medicine very well. So its first action is on the mind. So we'll talk about the mind complaints. So let's talk about it. So Cascara Sagrada patient may lose control over emotions and shows a picture of temporary insanity. The patient experiences the fatigue due to dehydration and loss of electrolytes from the body. The patient is mentally upset and irritable due to his suffering. Cascara is useful medicine for the patient with a gastric type of headaches with constipation. The patient experiences the pain and heaviness in the head due to gastric disturbances. Next action of this medicine is on ear, nose, and throat. So first we'll talk about the ear complaints. So, ear aches with the constipation and gastric headaches can be treated well with this medicine. May experience radiating pain in the ear due to gastric headaches. If we talk about the nose complaints, so nasal discharges in the patient having constipation and gastric troubles due to sluggish digestion can be treated well with Cascara Sagrada. The nose can feel dry due to dehydration in the body. If we talk about the mouth complaints, so the mouth of Cascara Sagrada patient can be dry with extreme thirst. The tongue is flabby and broad in shape. There is a foul smell coming from the mouth of the patient with a foul breath, that is halitosis. Next, we have is throat complaints. So, the Cascara patient experiences extreme thirst with a dryness in the throat. There can be acid reflux in the throat due to chronic indigestion. Now, next we'll talk about the action of Cascara on chest complaint and heart complaints. Let's talk about it. So, heartburn or pain in the chest due to gas formation as a result of chronic indigestion and constipation can be treated well with this medicine. The patient may feel a burning sensation in the chest due to gastric disturbances. And we talk about the heart complaints. So, low blood pressure, that is hypotension, can result from dehydration and loss of important electrolytes from the body. So, irregular heartbeats with anxiety in case of dehydration can be found. Next section of this medicine is on the GIT. So first we'll talk about the stomach complaints. So the patient suffers from chronic indigestion and constipation resulting in the stomach pain. There is a discomfort and an uneasy feeling in the stomach due to gas formation. The patient experiences a loss of appetite with a nauseating feeling. There is a severe gripping and hemorrhage, that is bleeding in some patient. Next, we'll talk about the abdomen complaints. The patient of Cascara Sagrada may experience pain in the right upper part of the abdomen. The patient may suffer from cirrhosis of the liver. This remedy is very beneficial for patient with a liver cirrhosis. There is a fluid accumulation, that is ascites, in the abdomen due to liver cirrhosis. It is also a very useful medicine for jaundice in the patient who are having long standing constipation and indigestion. There is a flatulence and uneasiness in the abdomen as the bowels do not empty. Next, we'll talk about the rectum complaints. So, the stools are constipated. The patient is having a never get done feeling, as I've already told you. The patient strains at stool, but his bowels are not fully emptied. He sits for longer hours in the toilet. The stools are unsatisfactory and scanty. The stools are hard and insufficient, and patient may suffer from swollen veins in the rectum, that is, hemorrhoids. There is pain and bleeding from the stool due to hemorrhoids. The patient may experience sharp cutting pain in the rectum, and the blood may come out mixed in the stool or after stool. Next section of this medicine is on the urinary system. So we'll talk about the urinary complaints. So Cascara Sagrada can be helpful to patients who experience little or no urination due to dehydration. Urine-related troubles in the patient with chronic constipation can be treated well with this medicine. The patient may wait for a few minutes before the urination starts, and it follows drop by drop at first. Next section of this medicine is on the male genitals. So let's talk about the main complaints. So men who drink alcohol for over many years and develop cirrhosis can be benefited from this medicine. The patient may suffer from low libido, breast enlargement, testicular atrophy due to liver cirrhosis. Next section of this medicine is on the female genitals. So we'll talk about the female symptoms. So women who remain fatigued or dehydrated with chronic constipation can be treated well with this medicine. The women may experience absence or loss of menstrual cycle with the liver cirrhosis. Female patient with indigestion and weakness due to loss of important electrolytes from the body can be treated well with this medicine. Now next action of Cascara Sagrada is on the lower extremities. So let's talk about the legs. So legs cramp can occur in Cascara patient due to rapid loss of important electrolytes such as sodium, chloride, and potassium. So, swelling in the legs, feet, and ankles in patients with the liver cirrhosis can be well treated with this medicine. There is pain with the soreness and rawness in the bones, joint, and muscles of the legs. The patient may experience pain in the joints of the legs. Now, next, this medicine can be useful for treating fever. So, let's talk about it. So, Cascara Sagrada is helpful for the patient who suffer from increased body temperature, that is pyrexia. Along with obstinate constipation, the patient is having trouble with the digestion. The digestive system does not work properly, leading to weakness in the body. Due to the weak immunity, as proper nutrition is compromised due to the lack of digestion issues, the patient can easily catch infections. Fever with body aches in the patient with liver cirrhosis and jaundice can be relieved by this medicine. And patient with rheumatism with the body aches and fever can be benefited from this medicine. So these are all sorry. So this was all about the usefulness of Cascara Sagrada, that in which cases you can use this medicine successfully. Now next we will talk about the doses and the potency, that how to take this medicine. Let's talk about Cascara Sagrada doses and the potencies. So first we have is Cascara Sagrada 30. So this is considered as a mild potency. It is safe to be given to patient of any age and any gender, including small children's, young adults, or older age group people. This should be used when the symptoms are mild and few. It can be used for head complaints, eye complaints, ear complaints, nose complaints, and skin complaints. Cascara 30 can be used in liquid form or it can be mixed with globules. The ideal dose of Cascara is 4 pills daily till improvement occurs. Next is Cascara Sagrada 200 potency. So, how to use it? So, Cascara Sagrada 200 is considered as a moderate potency. It is safe to be given to the patient of and any age and gender, including small children's, young adults, and older age group people. It should be used when the symptoms are moderate. Next, we have is Cascara Sagrada 1M potency. So how to use it? So Cascara Sagrada 1M is considered as a very high potency. It is safe to be given to young adults and older age group people. It should be used when the symptoms are severe. It should be given when the mental and the physical symptoms both match perfectly. The ideal dose of Cascara Sagrada 1M is 4 pills once a week for 2 or 3 months. Next, we have is Cascara Sagrada Mother Tincture. So, how to use it? So, it's considered as a physiological potency. It is safe to be given to patients of any age and gender, including small children's, young adults, and older age group people. It should be used when the symptoms are in a form of a structural changes, when there is a need for physiological change. It can be used for head complaints, eye complaints, ear complaints, nose complaints, and skin complaints. Now, how to take it? So, it can be used in a liquid form, that is 10 drops in a half a cup of water twice daily for 2 or 3 months. Next, we have is Cascara Sagrada 3x or 6x. So, this is considered as a low potency. It is safe to be given to patient of any age and gender. It is used when the symptoms are developing slowly and gradually. It can be used in liquid form or it can be taken in tablet forms. Okay, so this was all about the potencies and how to take the Cascara Sagrada. So that's all. That's all for today. If you find this video informative, helpful, and especially valuable, so please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of natural health, holistic health, and world of homeopathy. So thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of Cascara Sagrada in homeopathic medicine. Take care until next time. See you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. And yes, thanks for watching this video.